If you want to unlink your Swiggy account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process will help you manage your accounts independently. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the Settings or Account section. Step 3. Access linked accounts. In the Settings menu, find the option that says Linked Accounts or Social Media Accounts. This section will show all accounts that are connected to your Swiggy profile. Step 4. Select Facebook. Locate the Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. Tap on it to access the Unlinking option. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. You will see an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Confirm your choice by tapping on Unlink or Disconnect. You may need to enter your Swiggy password for verification. Once you have completed these steps, your Swiggy account will no longer be linked to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Swiggy customer support for further assistance.